so much for this amazing award. This could not have happened without my Schoology ambassadors who have really stood behind me, beside me, and even have been great leaders through my Schoology time of use. Back in the day in 2016, we rolled out our Schoology along with me moving into a brand new position as a digital learning coordinator. And so when you're in a district, a small district where Schoology isn't widely known about, you're kind of on an island on your own, learning about a brand new product and trying to implement it at your district. So I kind of, again, felt like I was in an island on my own. But then I heard about the Schoology ambassadors, and they were like a family, and they helped each other. They mentored each other. They brought people out of, sticky situations on how they were able to fix this, or here's an even better idea. And I knew then that I wanted to become a Schoology ambassador. The following year at the Schoology conference, I met up with all the ambassadors. I saw them all over Twitter, so it felt like I was meeting famous people. And so as I got to know them and grow with them, I became an ambassador soon after. And I feel like they brought us in with like open arms. And I learned so much about being a digital learning leader, mostly, and how to support my teachers, how to support my staff, how to support my technology peeps on using Schoology effectively in a school or in a classroom. And I don't think I would be where I'm at now as the director of digital learning if it weren't for them. I always feel like I have this like need to serve and help. So even though that I've moved out of the coordinator position and into a director, I still have that ambassador type of personality to where if you need help, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna pause what I'm doing and I'm going to serve you and give you what you need. So I never want that ever to go away from me because it's what was bred in me from the ambassador program. So again, I just want to thank everyone so much for this award. It means more than you know.